Good morning guys, in front of me is Sony Xperia 1.6 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. At first open your camera app. Let's go with all the setup at first. And now click on settings icon. Here find and select self timer. It's at the top of the list, and now you can apply 10 or 3 seconds delay. Just mark it, then go back, and now click on camera shutter. You will notice 3 seconds delay or 10 if you click on 10, and now the picture will be grabbed with selected delay. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.